So, cleaning your chain on your motorcycle can be a really messy business, especially with spraying the kerosene on the chain. The kerosene goes everywhere, flying around and staining everything. So yeah, I thought I'd try this Motorrad Kettenflange kit, or motorcycle chain care kit. So yeah, let's open the box and see what you get. So here's an instruction manual or paper. You get a bottle, a few hooks, string and tubes to connect to the cleaner, one other tube, and here is the cleaner itself. And inside this cleaner it's also a lot of brushes in different directions to do the cleaning for you. So yeah, out to the bike. First just take off the chain protection, and then actually the threads for the bottle you got with the cleaner, it fits on the kerosene bottle. So I just put it directly on that one. And then you fasten the cleaner kit onto the chain, and then you take this one hook and place on the cleaner, and then you take the string and secure it somewhere on the bike to hold the cleaner in place when you will spin the wheel. Then it's just to take your kerosene bottle, turn it upside down and start spinning your wheel and let the cleaner do its job. And as you can see here, from the bottom hose of the cleaner you can see dirty kerosene dripping out. And yeah, this cleaner actually made a huge difference. A lot easier and not even half as fiddly as cleaning the chain with a spray bottle of kerosene and a brush and all that stuff. The only thing, I needed to take just a sponge to hold on the sprocket to also clean that one. But yeah, super happy with this. Really nice chain cleaner kit.
Vilken jävla skillnad.